Artificial intelligence is no longer the stuff of science fiction. It's part of our daily lives. From personalized recommendations to virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, AI powers tools that shape the way we work and interact. But at the heart of many of these innovations is something called an LLM, or large language model. What are LLMs, how do they work, and why are they so transformative? Let's break it down. Large language models, or LLMs, are a type of AI system designed to understand and generate human-like text. These models are at the forefront of artificial intelligence research and have revolutionized how machines interact with human language. They are trained on massive amounts of data, books, articles, websites, and more, to predict and generate words in a way that feels natural. This training process involves feeding the model with diverse and extensive text data, allowing it to learn the intricacies of human language. Essentially, an LLM learns patterns in language to think about what might come next in a conversation or written text. This ability to predict and generate text makes LLMs incredibly powerful tools for various applications, from chatbots to content creation. Think of it like this. If I say peanut butter and Torah, chances are you'd think jelly. This is because your brain has learned common word pairings through experience and context. That's because your brain understands common word pairings and context. Similarly, LLMs use their training data to understand and generate text that aligns with human expectations. LLMs do something similar but on a much grander scale, processing billions of words to generate cohesive and meaningful outputs. They can write essays, answer questions, and even engage in complex conversations, making them invaluable in today's digital age. As these models continue to evolve, their potential applications are expanding, promising even more sophisticated and human-like interactions in the future. LLMs, or large language models, are built on neural networks, specifically a type called transformers. These transformers have revolutionized the field of natural language processing by enabling machines to understand and generate human-like text. Transformers use an architecture that focuses on attention mechanisms. This architecture allows the model to process and analyze vast amounts of text data efficiently. Attention mechanisms are crucial because they enable the model to weigh the importance of different words in a sentence or context when generating text. This means the model can focus on the most relevant parts of the input to produce coherent and contextually appropriate responses. Here's how it works in a simplified way. The process begins with input tokenization. Input tokenization. The text you provide is broken into smaller units called tokens. These tokens are essentially smaller pieces of the original text, making it easier for the model to process. Embedding. Each token is then transformed into a numerical format that the model can understand. This numerical representation is known as an embedding, and it captures the semantic meaning of the token. Attention mechanisms. The model uses these embeddings to determine which parts of the input text are most important for generating an output. By focusing on the most relevant tokens, the model can generate more accurate and meaningful responses. Generation. Finally, the model predicts the next words, one step at a time, until it completes the task. This step-by-step generation process ensures that the output is coherent and contextually appropriate. Presenter. The key breakthrough here is the transformer architecture, which can process vast amounts of data in parallel. This parallel processing capability significantly speeds up the model's ability to generate text. This allows LLMs to generate responses that feel intelligent and context-aware. By leveraging the power of transformers and attention mechanisms, these models can produce human-like text that is both accurate and relevant to the given context. LLMs, or large language models, are revolutionizing industries in ways we could have only imagined a few years ago. These advanced AI systems are transforming how businesses operate, making processes more efficient, and opening up new possibilities. Here are just a few real-world examples of how LLMs are being utilized across various sectors. Customer support AI chatbots powered by LLMs provide 24/7 assistance, answering queries in real time. They handle a wide range of customer issues, from simple questions to more complex troubleshooting, significantly reducing wait times and improving customer satisfaction. Content creation. Tools like ChatGPT help professionals draft emails, reports, and even creative writing. These AI tools can generate ideas, provide structure, and ensure that the content is clear and engaging. making the writing process faster and more efficient. Programming Codex, an AI built on LLM technology, assists developers by generating and debugging code. It can suggest code snippets, identify errors, and even help with documentation, making the development process smoother and more reliable. Healthcare LLMs aid in analyzing medical records and simplifying complex data for better patient care. They can identify patterns and trends that might be missed by human eyes, leading to more accurate diagnoses and personalized treatment plans. Education. They support learning by explaining concepts, solving problems, and tutoring in various subjects. AI tutors can adapt to each student's learning style and pace, providing personalized support that enhances the educational experience. Presenter. These applications save time, reduce costs, and improve accessibility. By automating routine tasks and providing intelligent insights, LLMs enable professionals to focus on more strategic and creative aspects of their work. But it's not just about convenience. LLMs are opening doors to innovation across all sectors. They are driving advancements in technology, creating new business opportunities, and shaping the future of work in ways we are only beginning to understand. Training an LLM is no small feat. It requires cutting-edge technologies. High-performance hardware graphics processing units, GPUs, and tensor processing units, TPUs, are critical for handling the immense computational load. Distributed computing models are trained across massive data centers with thousands of interconnected processors. Optimized algorithms. Techniques like gradient descent and reinforcement learning improve model efficiency. Presenter. These innovations enable LLMs to learn from data and scale to unprecedented levels, making them some of the most powerful AI tools today. While LLMs have immense potential, they come with challenges. Bias in data. Since models learn from human-generated content, they can inherit biases present in the training data. Resource intensity. Training an LLM is energy-intensive, raising environmental concerns. Misuse risks. From deepfakes to misinformation, the misuse of AI is a growing concern. Presenter. As we develop these technologies, we must also ensure they are used responsibly, with fairness and transparency at the forefront. LLMs represent a monumental leap in AI technology, transforming the way we communicate, create, and innovate. As these models continue to evolve, so too will their impact on our world. The question isn't whether we'll use LLMs, but how we'll harness their potential responsibly. Subscribe for more insights into the world of AI and emerging technologies.